This is a YouTube thumbnail, but the thumbnail's file size is larger than 2 megabyte. You know, YouTube support thumbnails that is within 2 megabyte. But in my case, it is 7.1 megabyte. I need to reduce the file size of this thumbnail. I'll show you how you can compress or reduce the file size of your image using a simple software. In this video, I'm going to show you the process of how to compress images using AI, and it's completely free. I will give the link in the description and pinned comment. Check it and try it out. I'm Sai from DigiWhisper, and let's get started. So first, visit the website from the link I'm sharing in the video description and comment, and then click here in the select image section and upload your image. And now I need to click the compress image, and it is compressing my image or reducing the file size of the image. And it was 7.06 megabyte, and now it has compressed my image into 2.7 megabyte. Still, the image file size is not suitable for YouTube. I need to again compress the image. I can again click here in the compress image button, and I'm again selecting the image to make it within 2 megabyte. And now see, this is the compressed version of my image, and it is now within 2 megabyte. So now I can use it for my YouTube video thumbnail. And you can see now the file size is 1.9 megabyte, but still the image looks same as the high quality one. It just compressed or reduced the file size without sacrificing the image quality. So this way, you can compress any types of image using this software. You can try it now from the description and pinned comment. Alright, that's a wrap. Now it's your turn. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and join my growing community. Let's fix the internet together, one video at a time.